Are you looking for a really cool toy grill for your little one? If so, in this video I will give you a complete rundown of the Theo Klein Weber Kettle Barbecue Premium Toys for Kids. Coming up. All right, welcome back and thank you for checking out my video. And if you are new here, my name is John and I'm the product review dad. And the purpose of this channel is to focus on product reviews, tips, and advice for parents and families and to help them save and spend their money and their time wisely. And in the description below, you'll see a link to the product I'll show you. And feel free, if you like the channel, to click subscribe and also like the video. But getting into a little bit about the product. As you'll see here, it's a Theo Klein product. They make a lot of great products and they license through a lot of great brands. And this one's the Theo Klein Weber Kettle Barbecue Premium Toy. And again, manufacturer's Theo Klein and it's licensed by Weber. Recommended age is 36 months to 8 years. So again, about the 3-year mark is what they recommend. Doesn't come with 3 AAA batteries required. Recommend getting those. I'll show you why in just a moment. But it doesn't weigh much. A very lightweight, 15.8 ounces, and made from durable plastic materials. It's a really cool piece and very similar to the grill that we have. So it's a great form of entertainment. Get the little one interested in grilling and just to have fun. Now, what it includes a variety of different items. So really the big thing is of course the grill, and of course as you can see the Weber grill, which is a great brand with the thermometer on top there. But it also comes with play food, comes with quite a bit of play food. A couple of the items here that I have, steak and pork chops, comes with others, but you can include any type of kind of play food that you want. It comes with steak, shrimp, salmon, tomato, onion, and pepper, but also light up charcoal and a lighter. 2 grates and tongs. So the one really cool thing with this is the lighter. And as you can see here, and this is where the batteries are needed. So all you have to do is put the 3 AAAs in. You have to press the button here to turn it on. You place it in the grill, press the button, and all of a sudden it starts up, just like you were to start up your grill, which is really cool. And again, gets the little one excited and pretending like you're grilling. But again, the grates are here, so you plop those in, plop that on top, and whatever food you have for the little one that you want to put in, along with the tongs that you can place on the side. But again, what things I really like about this, the grill looks like the real one, and of course, warning. This is a choking hazard, so small parts, not for children under 3, so keep that in mind. But once they're 3 and older, a very good product, recommended. It's great for imaginative play, getting again the little one interested in grilling, and a great item for son, daughter, niece, nephew, or a grandson or a granddaughter as well, especially for the holidays, birthday, or especially in the grilling time. So again, highly recommend this product. So thank you so much for checking out the video today and hope this was helpful. And again, a link to this product is down in the description. But feel free, if you have a question out there about this, or if you have something similar or have this exact item, feel free to leave a comment. But again, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, I have weekly videos that I post, so feel free to subscribe to the channel or like the video. But again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.